Welcome to Dharya Veda. The today's topic, a new beginning, that is of a subjects of a third year, that third BAMS, Introduction to Prasuti Tantra and Stri Roga. Nothing but the gynecology and obstetrics. So first one, Prasuti Tantra. It's called as obstetric, which concern about the pregnancy and pregnant women care and lactate parturition and the care of a lactating mother or a postpartum care of the delivered woman. These all included under the Prasuti Tantra. And when it comes to the Stri Roga, it is a gynecology where we will study about the different diseases related to the gynecology or related to the Stri. So what are the different kinds of things as per a syllabus copy we are going to study are first one, the first paper, Prasuti Tantra. Part A will be having the Stri Sharira Vijnana. In this, we are going to study about what is Stri, how it is derived, and what is the basic concept like Artavaha Srotas, Stanyavaha Srotas, and Trayavarta Yonis, Stri Vishishta, Peshi, Marmani, and all. And when it comes to the modern anatomy of a female reproductive system, and especially in reference to the pelvis and its obstetrical importance. And next is the Rajo Vijnana, that is nothing but the description of menstruation. What is Raja, Artava, when the menarche, that is Pratama Raju Darshana will occur, Rajaswalacharya, how should the girl should be there in a time of a menstruation, what are the regimens to be done at the time of menstruation, and Rutumati Lakshana, Rutumati Charya, and Rutukala, nothing but the ovulatory or a high fertile period. And when it comes to the modern menarche, menstruation cycle, the regulatory by endocrine glands, and ovulation and its importance in the conception and concept of Stri Shukra we are going to study. And next is the Garbha Vijnana, nothing but the how we should conceive or how we the samskara to be given for the Stri and Purusha before they get a baby, and how the baby will grow, how the composition of a jiva will occur in a garbha, and how it will grows by month we will study in Garbha Vijnana. Like under the headings of Garbhashya Paribhasha, Garbhadhana Vidhi, method of impregnation, Garbha Vakranti, how the elements in the Garbha will create, and Garbha Sambhava Samagri, what are the there are 6 ingredients are there. So what are the 6 ingredients that are required for formation of a Garbha, and Garbhakara Bhava, Panchabhautikatva of a Garbha, Masanumasika Garbha Vruddhi, and Garbha Poshana, Garbhashayante, Garbhasthiti, and fetal attitude, lie, position, and presentation in a Garbha, and Apara Nirmana, that is placental formation, Garbhanabhanadi, and Jarayu and Vulva. These are the Ayurvedic concept. When it comes to the modern formation, development, and function of a placenta, umbilical cord and amniotic fluid, fetal membranes, and abnormalities of placenta are also we will study that Garbhalingotpati, the sex, how the Mullerian duct will form, or Mullerian duct and Wolffian duct both will be formed at the time of first month of pregnancy, and how it grow as a male baby and how it grow as a female baby, and Garbhashya Avayopatti, that's how the different parts of a fetus are going to form, and Garbha Varnotpatti, how the color of the fetus or color of the baby is going to form, and Garbha Vikrati, the any variation or a deviation, how could it be possible, we will study in a Garbha Vijnana. In Garbhini Vijnana, the study related to the gestating mother or the pregnant woman, the Lakshana of Sadyogrihita Garbha, the signs and symptoms of getting pregnant, and Lakshana of Vyakta Garbha, Pumsavana Vidhi, diagnosis of pregnancy, and Garbhini Vyavastha, that's Garbhini Paricharya, Garbha Upaghatakara Bhava, Daurudhi, and antenatal care, examination, investigation, and management, and Garbha Vyapa, the different kinds of diseases or the deviations from the normal physiology, what a Garbhini or a Garbha is going to face are the Nidhana, what are the Nidhana of Garbha Vyapa, Samprapti, Chikitsa of, and Garbha Srava, that is nothing but abortion or a miscarriage, Garbhapata, nothing but a miscarriage, and Garbhashosha, with respect to the Upavishtaka and Nagodara, Upashushka and Leena Garbha, and Antarmrita Garbha, Raktagulma, and Bahugarbhata, the multiple pregnancies, nothing but the twins or triples or quadra, etc. And abortion and RH incompatibility, the erythroblastis fetalis is going to form, causes, clinical features and complication, and how we can manage, we are going to study in Garbhini Vijnana. Also gestational trophoblastic neoplasis, ectopic pregnancy, IUGR, intrauterine fetal death and multiple pregnancy we are going to study. And Garbhini Vyapad, the different kinds of a disease a Garbhini is posing herself are Rilasa, Chardi, Aruchi, Atisara, Vibhanda, Arsha, Udavarta, Shosha, Parikartika, Vaivarna, Kandu, Kikkisa, Pandu, Kamala and Makkala. And common elements of pregnancy like high risk of pregnancy, emesis gravidarum, gestational anemia, gestational hypertension, gestational diabetes, toxemesis and of a pregnancy, and jaundice and AIDS, how the different kinds of a disease a pregnant woman going to faces, and antepartum hemorrhage causes and clinical features and complication and its management. When it comes to the part B of a paper 1, that is Prasava Vijnana, about the delivery, like Prasava Paribhasha, what is the definition of a delivery, and Prasava Hetu, Prasava Kala, Sutika Ghara Nirmana, Sangrahiniya Dravyani, Sutika Gara, Pravesha Vidhi. How can we do the delivery? How can we conduct a delivery, and all about the procedures to be conducted. And second point, Prasavavastha, Prajayani, Upastita Prasava, Asanna Prasava Lakshana, Avi, and Prasava Paricharya, Jatamata Paricharya. How to care the during the before the delivery, during the delivery, and after the delivery, how we can take care of a baby as well as a mother. We are going to study here mainly about mother, as it is a Prasuti Tantra, and normal labor, like a definition of a labor, physiology and mechanism of a labor, monitoring of a labor and management, pictogram, episiotomy, care and resuscitation of a newborn. And next, Prasava Vyapat, complications during the delivery. Though Garbha Sangha, Yoni Samvarana, and Apara Sangha, Mudha Garbha, the definition, Nidhana, types and management of all the these Vyapat, and introduction and augmentation of a labor, cervical dystocia, and cephalopelvic disproportion, prolonged labor, preterm labor, postterm labor, fetal distress, assisted labor, and cesarean. So by these kind of complications, Garbha Vyapa, the formed baby will be having the birth injuries, or maybe some sort of asphyxial condition it can pose itself. So we need to study, and its management we are going to study here. And retention of a placenta, PPH causes, that is clinical features and management of it, and genital tract injuries during the labor. Also uterine inversion, amniotic fluid embolism, Garbhasthiti Parivranta, that's version, and forceps delivery and ventrous delivery we are going to study. And Sutika Vijnana, that's the antepartum care, or how to care of a delivered woman is lactating mother, that is Sutika Paribhasha, what is the Sutika, how should we care that? Sutika Kala, Sutika Paricharya, change during Sutika Avastha, that is Sharirika and Manasika, how the physical and mental status of a delivered woman will be there, and normal and abnormal purpurium and its management. And next is the Sutika Roga, number of Sutika Roga, Sutika Jvara, Shota and Makkala. And Stanya Vijnana, that is Stanya Dushti, Stanya Kshaya, Stanya Vriddhi, and their causes, clinical features and treatment we are going to study, and emergency care in obstetrics we are going to study in the first paper. When it comes to the paper 2, that is Stri Roga, related to the gynecology, the part A is Artha Vyapa, that is the disease related to the menstruation, like Artava Kshaya, Vriddhi, Ashtartava Dushti, Lakshana, Chikitsa, Asrigdhara Lakshana, Samprapti and Chikitsa we are going to study as a first point. And the modern aspect of it, that is menstrual disorder like amenorrhea, hypermenorrhea, oligomenorrhea, dysmenorrhea, abnormal uterine bleeding we are going to study in the Artha Vyapat. Then next comes the Yoni Vyapa. The disease is related to the Yoni, the Janananga, or the genital tract. The Sankhya, the number of Yoni Vyapat, that is Nidhana and their Lakshana and Upadrava evam Chikitsa. And when it comes to the modern aspect, them endometriosis, fibroid uterus, genital prolapse, retroverted uterus, pelvic infections, cervical erosion, pelvic inflammatory diseases. And Vandhyatva, that is infertility, Prakhara, Nidhana and Chikitsa. In modern aspect of it, infertility causes, types and investigations and management. And Yoni Kanda, Yoni Arsha, Granthi and Arbhuda, pelvic infections including sexual transmitted infection, HIV, AIDS and preventive measures. Menopause, the change during the menopause syndrome and management. Also, we can study that congenital malformation of a female genital tract, Shukra Vijnana, that is Kshaya, Vriddhi, Dushti, Hetu, Lakshana and Chikitsa, benign and malignant tumors of a genital tract. It is a part A, the in a paper 2, and when it comes to the part B, Stana Roga, that is the diseases related to the breast, Stana Keela, Nidhana, Lakshana, Chikitsa and Stana Granthi, Stanya Vidradi, Stana Shopha, mastitis, breast abscesses and galactosele, etiopathology, clinical features, diagnosis and prognosis and complications related to all these disorders. And Stanika Chikitsa, the Stanika local treatment, that is Snehana, Svedhana, Uttarabasti, Pichu, Varti, Lepana, Dhupana, Dhavana, Dahana, Ksarakarma, practical knowledge of all these procedures along with the indications, complications and management. And Shastrakarma, the surgical intervention in the gynecology and obstetrics, that is surgical procedures, their indications, contraindications of a cauterization of a cervix, cervical dilatation and curettage, that is DNC, female surgical sterilization, knowledge of indication and procedure of pap smear, endometrial biopsy and interpretation of their reports, Stri Roga, Sambandita Pramukha Aushadhyadi, that is here the main things what we can study is the different kinds of medicines that we can prescribe in the Stri Roga, the Prasuti and Stri Roga Chikitsa Upayogi Yantra, Shastra Paricharya and Vyadhi Vinishchaya Upaya, that is investigative and diagnostic aids. And Garbha Nirodhaka Upaya, that nothing but the contraceptives, that is family planning. And Parivara Niyojana, family planning, reproductive and child health care, AIDS and HIV control program, MCH, PNDT Act, MTP Act and importance of a current national program. Like PNDT Act is now called as a PCPNDT Act. So what are the important of a current national program? So why should we can study what it includes? We will study here. And knowledge of important commonly used Ayurvedic and allopathic drugs used in the Prasuti Tantra and Stri Roga, pharmacotherapeutics of allopathic drugs in obstetric and gynecology, where we need to be study this because as in a first year and second year we are in the subclinical type of subjects where we are feeling that we are becoming a doctor, but we are not getting any single medicine to prescribe. But now onwards we can study here we can study the different kinds of drugs, whether it is Ayurvedic pharmacy or allopathic drug. We will study here. And record keeping, ethical and medico legal issues in Stri Roga and Prasuti Tantra, that is the professional ethics to be learned by a gynec or obstetrics. And desirable, if we need, we will also study about laparoscopy, hysteroscopy, hysterosalpingography, USG, X-ray, colposcopy, cervical biopsy, Granthi, evam Granthi, Nirharana, Samanya Gnana, that is myomectomy and hysterectomy, the surgical procedure for as an birth controls. Then clinical training, obstetric skills to perform independently the history taking and examination of antenatal and gynecological cases related. These are related to the practicals, but we will see all those things. Diagnosis of a pregnancy, assessing of a gestational period to diagnose onset of labor, to monitor labor progress, able to plot photogram, partogram, the observation of a 10 labors, as we will have the IPD cases of delivery, then we can see this. To diagnose abnormality of a labor and decide about the referral of a patient, able to provide first aid for obstetric emergencies. Now in a third year only we should be able to give all these things. And recognition of a postpartum complications, counseling and promoting of a best breastfeeding, record 5 antenatal cases, 5 intrapartum and 5 postpartum cases to observe, assist DNC, DNE, cesarean section, repair operation, resuscitation of a newborn. And gynecological skills to perform independently. We should perform it, the student should perform it, that is history taking and examination of a gynecological cases, recording 10 gynecologist cases and 5 gynecologist procedure, taking a vaginal smear, high vaginal swab, practice knowledge of a Sthanika Chikitsa, observation and practical knowledge of a minor gynecological procedures, observation of a surgical procedure, identification, uses and demonstration of a surgical instruments, observation of a method of sterilization, MTP, surgical procedure, hysterectomy, oophorectomy, distribution of, this is the practical marks, and so something, the marks distribution, which is not concern of us. So totally 200 papers, 200 marks of each paper carry 100 marks and 50 marks viva and 100 marks of practical. So totally I think 350 marks will be allotted for a Prasuti Tantra. We will study one by one each the thing in upcoming videos. Thank you.